Na sasa tutaanza na pea kadhaa ambazo mimi leo ninaziona kwamba kwa wiki inayoanza tarehe 9 zitakuwa na dili. Kwa kuangalia kwenye checklist yangu hapo, kwanza tuanze na euro, tuanze na USD pair hapo. Nianze na DXY kabisa. DXY kwa forecast yangu, I see the market is going to drop. It is going to drop mpaka katika hii level ya chini hapa. Kwa hiyo ninachokitegemea kwa DXY, lazima irudi hapa juu kwanza hapa. As you can see, there is a corrective movement to the upside here, so it will come here to the level that is called Quasimodo, or we can say that the structure called the normal invalidation before the market to push to the downside. But even if here there is a Quasimodo at the upside, we can see another structure here down. So hizi ndizo levels zitakazokuja kuzuia nini? Market yetu. Kwa hiyo kama DXY itaendeleza na movement yake ya kushuti juu, itabidi itokee hapa na power ndio iende kuvunja juu. So kwa wiki inayoanza tutegemee movement ya kwenda chini hapa. So ukiona hivi katika DXY, movement down to the down kwa DXY ni sawasawa na movement to the upside kwa NASDAQ. So kwa wale wanao trade NAS, inabidi muangalie setup za kubuy. Sawa Hiyo ni DXY. DXY ni instrument ambayo huwa tunaianalyze kwa ajili ya kutupa uelekeo wa USD pairs. USD as a dollar and anti-dollar pairs like euro and others. So tukija katika gold, what I see, gold tunaona ametoka katika hii level ya chini, anaenda katika movement ambayo sio shwari, lakini tunaangalia we have our order block the upside here. Okay, hii order block ambayo katika 50% yake tunaona invalidation au tunaiona kwa Quasimodo setup inaingia hapa. Kwa hiyo ili tuweze kurudi chini huku chini, ili tuweze kurudi hapa chini hapa, itabidi market hold hapa. So kwenye 1900 hapo, katika key level 1900 hapo ndipo market ita hold ili iweze kurudi chini mpaka 1850. Hapo ndo tunaweza tukasema gold sasa tunambai kuelekea juu. So for the coming week we are going to see a sell setup, that is gold. Sell setup for gold. Sio swing trade, hizi ni intraday. Sasa kama trade za siku 2-3 au za kutoka siku hiyo hiyo moja, lakini sio kwamba soko likifunguka ukasell. No, you will need another push to the upside before this kind of what? Of downward movement. Even if we use the trend line here, you can see there is a first touch, second, and the third touch lie in the same level with what? With this Quasimodo setup levels. Vile vile hapa tunaikuta kuna psychological levels ya 1900. Kwa hiyo market itakuwa ikishuka kutokea katika hiyo level. So That is my view on gold. For USD JPY, USD JPY, as we see here, we have our buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. Here, there is equal high already taken, but that you can see there is another level here. So tunahitaji market iweze kufika hapa kabla ya kuweza kuseri. Kwa hiyo USD JPY itakuwa ni pair ya kuseri kwa wiki inayoanza Jumatatu. Ndivyo ninavyoona katika soko. So as you can see, this movement upside haina momentum nzuri ya kwamba inaweza kutembeza soko kwenda juu. Na wale wanao trade pattern, wale ukiangalia hapa tunapata ile collective structure to the upside ambayo ni reversal pattern like this one. So we will need another push to the upside to complete the third touch of the trend line. If it react here, we go down. Okay. This is USD JPY. We sell. USD JPY. We sell. Another pair, it is this silver. This commodity, as you can say, it is creating the, the descending channel. Now I am looking for the buy from this level, but there is no clear setup right now. So we will need to break this level upside, come down, and then shoot to that level. It will be dropping to this level here, and then shoot to that level up. So I am looking for the buy setup from this level. Okay, from 22.3 here. I can say, because I see this like equal low here. So it must cross the upside, take this level to another upside, to another quasi-model level, the upside, down, short-term structures, then break to the upside. This it is going to break higher and higher. So for the swingers, we will buy to that level for swings trade. But for scalpers and day traders, we are looking for the buy to that level. Kama kuna mtu ameingia sasa hivi, amute mic, nasikia sauti ambazo zitaharibu video yetu. Let us see GBP USD. Yes, GBP USD. GBP USD ninaona setup ya kuibuy because I see the first model setup to this level. It is where the market is going to react before selling. na tunaangalia hii hapa kendo kubwa hii ambayo inasababishwa na ambayo tunaita imbalance. Kwa hii hapa, hii imbalance hii lazima iwe fulfilled. So roadblock tunazoweza kukutana nazo hapo, market inaweza ikafika ikarotest kidogo ikarudi chini ikavunja. Ikifika hapa ndipo kuna setup nzuri ya kusell. So if you don't see the setup here, you can wait the market to react to that level. Okay, I think it will be in the mid of the week. After that, you can scale and continue to sell the market. But for now, you can force the setup of buying. As you can see here, unapoweza kuzoom in, what you can see that like the market crossed the upside up to this level. Okay, there is a candle closure to the upside. Okay, to this level here. So the market imerudi katika invalidation level ambayo tunaziita kwa Simodo. So this one, if we are already in, you can continue to hold your trade. It will go up to that level. But if you are not in the market, what you can do is to wait the market to open. It can open with the gap. It can turn back to the entry point. Then you can enter the trade and try to hold it to that invalidation level to the upside before we sell. Kwa hiyo tutabai na mwishoni mwa wiki huko, kama tutafanikiwa kuwa market imefika huko, tutaangalia setup ya kuweza kusell hii hapa GBPUSD. Euro USD, because euro it is the anti-dollar. Euro is the anti-dollar, and we have said that the dollar is going to drop. Okay, the dollar is going to drop, so we are expecting to buy USD, Euro USD. We are expecting to buy. As you can see, the market has closed above this structure here. So we have our order block, this one here, and at the 50%, there is the Quasimodo setup that we call invalidation. So we must enter here. Buy trades to the upside. But as you can see downside here, we have equal low. So manipulation can occur. For the case the manipulation occur, it will hold to that level. It will hold to that level because the market reacted there. But I can say it's long time ago. The market reacted at this level. There is another invalidation. Kuna invalidation ya muda mrefu ambayo haijawahi kuguswa. So inaweza ikatengeneza pale. For the case imefanya manipulation, itakuja cold hapa. So we need to see with all our eyes to understand what price action is going on when the price is approaching this level. Euro USD buy setup. AUD USD. AUD USD, as you can see here, the market inabidi irudi hapa. We have this kind of setup here. You can see this touch here. Quasimodo continuation setup. It is here. This level, manipulation upside, But in order this to be a good setup, this row must be taken first. Okay? This row must be taken first. So the market must continue forward, take this row, and go up here, then fall down. That's why there is another line here. This is a level ambapo ikitokea market imemanipulate hapa, inabidi ije kuhold hapa. So before buying, we will need the market to reach this level. Sawa, lakini ikifika hapo juu tutaweza kuisell. Hapa kwa sababu haijavunja, tutaisubiri ivunje hapa chini, iende chini hapa iweze kurudi juu. Lakini vile vile hapo ilipo, hapo ilipo market iliweza kuvunja juu kwa setup hii hapa ndogo ndogo hii, ikarudi katika hii validation level hapa. But what I can see, this is not a good setup because this invalidation level haijarendi na order book hapa. So we can enter the trade to buy, but there is a high probability of manipulation to the downside before going up. If this manipulation occurs, we are going to wait the market to reach this level before we sell down. AUD USD buy setup and sell setup after that, maybe in the middle of the week. GBPJPY as you can see here, we have a certain structure here, like it was like a downward move. So we have this level of Quasimodo. Yeah, we have a break, we have this kind of imbalance. So the market must go up to fill the imbalance here, react to this order block, this one here. After reacting here, we are going to take the sell trade. So the good trade here, it is to wait the market to correct it to the upside, and then you take the sell trade from this level here. Okay. Let us continue with our analysis. As we know, Euro USD, I don't know, USD pairs, USD card, you can say. It is a pair that go opposite with the news of USD. When USD is weak, USD card is buying, where the other USD pairs as a basic currency are selling. So because the DXY is going to drop, so USD card we are going to buy. And according to the analysis here, what you can see, here, we see the market has closed the upside here. So it can push to the upside again. It can push here to the upside, but you need to drop to that level before continuing up. So we may find the setup to sell, but it will be a correction move. So for the good trade, we need to wait the market to reach this level before we buy. So I see USD card as a bullish pair, but we are going to experience a certain move to the downside. So for the short trade, we need to buy. To sell for the short trade, you will need to sell to this level, but for a good trade of swing, you will need to wait for the market to react here before we buy to the upside. Another, it is NASDAQ. As we know, NASDAQ is bearish. NASDAQ is bearish. But we are experiencing a correction movement. So what will be experienced here, it will be a buy wave. We are going to buy to that level before we continue to create the lower low. So here you can be forced to find a setup for buy. I mean, we can wait the market to close the upside here. Maybe from here, close up, come down, then you go up before this downward. But the safe trade, it is to wait. Yeah. The safe trade is to wait the market to reach this level and then take the trade of selling here. So NASDAQ has all the setup, buying and selling. German, German 40 na yenyewe vile vile tu ina create hii level. Tunaweza tukaisubiri ikafika katika hii level, lakini sasa kitu ambacho inabidi ifanye hapa, it must come to take this low. Okay, alafu ndo irudi. Lakini hata hapo ilipo, kwa sababu tunaweza tukasema kwamba this movement from here hapa imesha take hii low. So this low already taken. Hii hapa imeshakuwa taken hii low. So the market must come here. Market must come here before we sell. Setup yetu ni hiyo hapo. As you can see here, the market takes this low, come another back to the invalidation here before continuing to the downside. Hello, nasikika?
Namna. Unasikika?
Okay. Tuangalie NZD USD. NZD USD analysis zangu zilikuwa zinanionyesha kwamba hii market imetengeneza like void fulani. Kendo zimefuatana zote ni bearish. This movement haiwezi kutokea. This is imbalance, I can say. Market is not balanced. But here we can say there is a order block here. And the market is collecting. This market here ambayo ina collect iko katika Afro hii hapa consolidation. It means the market maker are in doing the decision. Wako wanafanya decision in front where the market must go, but as a smart money trader, we know that here they can occur the manipulation to the downside here before the market going up to react to this order block, then continue to go down. So at this order block, we can see there is what? Another what? We can see there is this level of invalidation. So the market here, it can manipulate, it can send a wick. So the market can react from here all the way to the downside. So in order to trade this, we need to understand the model structure either in 15 minutes to see what is going on here. Okay, I say market closed up, market is here down, so we can swing the trade from here. We can start to buy here, but there is a possibility of manipulating the market to the downside. So right now there is a buy setup for NZD USD. Another pair, we can say the US30, or can say the Wall Street. Yes, Wall Street, the same like NASDAQ. Same like NASDAQ. Here, as I can say, there is this invalidation level or the Quasimodo manipulation, Quasimodo here. So this Quasimodo closed the downside, there is a consolidation, there is a liquidity of buy side liquidity, there is a trend line liquidity here. So the market will need to go up to react here. Kwa inahitaji market irudi ipige hao watu wa support na resistance. Ikishamaliza kuwapiga watu wa support na resistance hapa, itapiga trend line traders ambao wanasubiri third touch, afa itakuja kureact hapa ndipo tuweze kuisell. So we needed to wait the market to reach this level before we sell to this equal lows where there is sell side liquidity. Okay, kwa hiyo hapa kama wewe ni scalper unaweza kwa force ukaingia katika time frame ndogo kuangalia ni setup gani zinafomika ili tuweze kubuy. So we are going to buy US30, but a good trade is to wait the price to reach this level before we sell to the downside. Another pair, let us look the US oil. US oil, as we know, we are in the era of tuko katika vita. Akasema kwamba kwa hiyo tunachokiexpect price ya US oil iendelee kupanda. For those who enter the area, they must hold the price to the upside. Kwa hiyo sasa kitakachotokea hapa ni kwamba market inatengeneza correction hapo. Ili iweze continue inabidi irudi. Hapa tutahitaji market iweze kuvunja hapo juu kidogo. Iweze kuvunja, irudi katika hii hapa na iweze kuendelea wapi? Juu. Sawa. Kwa hicho hata ukiangalia kwa sasa tayari price imemanage ku close upside of that level. So we are going to experience the downward move to this level before we buy. Kwa hiyo hapa tunasubiri market irudi hapa ili tuweze kuiswing kuelekea juu. Mpaka katika level gani? First TP will be this area. So we will buy to this level 116.00. Huko ndiko market inakotupeleka, but we will need to wait the market to be back to 106.5. Alafu ndo tu swing kuelekea huko juu. Yeah, I think nimemaliza. I'm at the end now. Video will be uploaded to my YouTube channel, Big Forex School. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for another videos in the middle of the week. Anayeniita ni nani? Afro, yes.
Amba nikuulize.
Naam.
Una trade hizi synthetic index?
Yes.
Unatumia na methodology unaotumia kutumia currency.
Hii hapa. Na leo nilitrade, jana nilitrade, nimetrade volatility 75 lakini short term.
Okay.
Muda naona unakaribia kuisha, lakini setup mojawapo iliyokuwepo hapa, it was a sell trade ambayo mpaka sasa inaendelea vizuri. Nilichoweza kukiona, niliona this one. Naona hiyo market ilikuwa imevunja hapa chini. Unaweza kaangalia hapa, market imeweza kuvunja chini hapa. So unaiona hiyo. After that kuna hii order block ya market ilipovunja, kwa hiyo nilikuwa nina level yangu hii hapa. Market ilibidi irudi hapa. So ukirefine unakuta unaingilia huko juu. So tukirudi katika dakika 30 hapa, hapa ni trade nzuri ambayo nilitrade kutokea hapo. Ilikuwa ni target chini, lakini volatility is not friendly, my friend. Sawa, kuihold inahitaji moyo. Kwa hiyo walio wengi huwa tunaingia na kutoka. Kwa mimi nimetoka katika level hii hapa. Nilifikiri kwamba hapa panaweza paka hold price ikarudi juu sana. Kwa hiyo ilikuwa inarudi. Lakini unaangalia tena imefika hapa. Ukiangalia hapo, ukiingia katika time frame dogo, kuna setup nyingine ndogo ndogo ya kuseli. Kwa hiyo ukiangalia kama hapa una failed overflow hapa, ambapo ndo imereact saa hivi sasa the way down. Kwa hiyo hii hapa method yangu inaweza ikatrade kila kitu. Na msingi kiwe na candlestick. Maana yake hapa tunapoangalia this market was from here. Kwa hiyo inabidi tu experience market kuja wapi? Huko chini kuchukua liquidity za hapa. Sawa. Kwa hiyo it must come all the way to this level. Nadhani tumefika mwisho, hizo dakika 2 zimebaki. Kama kuna mwenye swali aulize, lakini kama itakuwa ni fresh, ukaingia katika YouTube yangu naitwa Big Forex School, nita-upload hii video. Utakachotaka kuuliza, uulize kwenye comment kule. Nimeconnect YouTube yangu na simu. Ukicomment naona direct, nitakujibu nikiwa popote. Asante sana kwa muda wenu. Tukutane katikati ya wiki au mwisho wa wiki.
Shukrani.
Okay.
Asante kaka.
Asante.